updating the Aphid. Now you're going to do the programming to show what happens to the Aphid. So find your update Aphid purple block, and you're going to need an if-then conditional. So click on Control, if-then, pull out an if-then. And in that if-then, you also need an else, because you'll talk about what happens under different situations. And let's first of all do the first if. For the first if the aphid is visible, so go ahead and click on your little aphid and find, I think it's at the bottom. It's not at the bottom. In the middle, if aphid is visible, then what's going to happen? Well, for that, you need another conditional, another if block. So go back up to the brown control and grab a if then and put it in there. And while you're at it, let's also go back to control. So I guess you don't really have to go back to control. You could use the click on something, Control C, Control V trick to get another if then. So for this next step, to fill in the if, you're going to do something that will make the little aphid moving and be visible 20% of the time. For that, you actually need a math block, blue math block, and the math block needs to be a less than block. So find the one where you can change what it says. And so there we go. And let's go ahead and make it less than now. And in here, you're going to say that you have a random fraction. And let's make that random fraction. It's going to randomly generate some sort of random fraction. But if the randomly generated fraction is less than 0.2, then what is going to happen? The little aphid is going to be doing some movement. And for this movement, you need an aphid block. So find your little aphid and look for the set aphid heading. So this will talk about where the little aphid is going to go when it moves. Set the aphid heading to, now you need math again. So click on the little blue math, and you need random integer. So grab the random integer, and you're going to say the little aphid is going to randomly move somewhere between 0 and 350 pixels. There you go. Next step would be what happens under another situation, and just to make things easy, I'm going to copy this block, Control C, Control V, because all I have to do is make a little change here. Oops, it did not like that. Let's try it again. Control C, Control V. There we go. So if the little aphid randomly happens to be 0.05 in terms of what it's doing, then we're going to go ahead and adjust its visibility. So click back on Aphid, and you want set Aphid visible to true. True and false are always under logic. So go up to the green logic. There we go. Now for the next one, it's another true, but I'm going to just copy Control C, Control V, and a little shortcut to get that set aphid enabled. There you go. And you already have the true. So that is how you take care of the little aphid doing its thing.